Hello. We have another unboxing for you guys. If you're interested on this channel, give us a like, subscribe now, and then we will find out what's inside this bag. Anyway, how are you doing today? This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Today we're doing the 12 days of Christmas unboxing. This one is the day 6. So if you have seen the day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now thank you very much for watching. And then we'll keep on watching for all the exchange gifts that we're giving to each other. And then this one is for Sophia anyways. I don't have the box, but because we were so excited when we saw this one. And then this one is from the Black Friday sale that we have had like last week. So now we're excited for us to have this one because this one will monitor Sophia when we're gone. So ding, 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 ding. You already know what it is. And then, so no further ado, this one is the, it's the Blink Mini Pan Tilt. So this one is, we really love it. And then, oh my goodness, this one is just $29. $29 for this one. What's inside? We'll see. So we have in the house, we have Blink in the house all over the place and stuff like that. And then this one is a 360 degrees views, day and night HD video, two-way audio, motion detection, and easy setup. So we'll open this up. And then there you go. And then of course that's the Blink pamphlet, the quick start guide that they have. So the good thing about this one, it's kind of like Wally type of thing. There's a mount that you're going to put in. So there's a mount, and then there's a box in here where the cords are at. And then of course this one, the plug of it. So we'll put it together. And then here's the camera. The camera of this one is, it's like the one that's like a GoPro type of thing. So this one is for Sophia so that it will follow her and stuff like that when we are gone. And then here's the stand of this one. So you're technically just going to put it on top. There you go. And then there's this one, the cable from the mount to the camera. There you go. And then you're just going to attach this one to the one that we have had. So this one is really nice because this one we will be able to monitor Sophia inside the house. But so that's the purpose of this one. And then we will be able to connect this one to the Blink account that we have had so that we can monitor the whole house. Anyways, how cool is this for $29? We bought this one from Amazon, and then look. So yeah, so cool. Anyway, I hope you like this one. We will show you how we use this and how we set it up. And then the good, the bad, and the ugly regarding about this one, if that one is really, because this one rotates 360 degrees. So it was really nice so that when we're gone on vacation, we'll be able to look for Sophia where she's at and what she's doing and stuff like that. So that's the purpose of this one. We don't really want to have cameras inside the house because, you know, hackers will be able to hack things and stuff like that. So we'll turn this off when we're in the house anyways, and then plug it so that nobody will be able to hack it or listen to our conversation and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Privacy is still essential no matter where you are. And then yeah, so I hope you like this video. This is only $29. How cool is that? Anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. You already know what to do. If you like this video, thumbs up, give us a thumbs up, subscribe below and comment. And then yeah, we try to answer all your questions and your comments as much as we can. And then yeah, Thank you very much. This is day number 6 for this Christmas day, Christmas unboxing that we are trying to have. Hopefully you like it. Thank you very much. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye.